how to enter Windows 11 recovery mode. In this video, I'm going to show you a really easy and quick way to put your Windows 11 PC or laptop in recovery mode. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And the method I'm going to show you will work even if you're on the lock screen and you can't log into the computer. So to get started, all we need to do is go down, select the Windows Start button, and from here, go over, select the power icon. And before we select anything else, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then select Restart. Now, continue to hold the Shift key and do not let go of the Shift key while it's restarting until you see the screen turn blue. So you should see it say, please wait. Just keep holding the Shift key. So it took mine about 20 seconds, but now I am in recovery mode. I can let go of the Shift key on my keyboard. And from here, you have several different options. If you're looking to reset your computer or get into the BIOS, go to troubleshoot, and then you can reset your computer, doing a factory reset, something like that. If you want to get into the BIOS, go to advanced options, and that's where you would go to UEFI firmware settings. They also have different things such as uninstalling updates or startup settings, everything like that in recovery mode. Now, if you're ready to get out of recovery mode, simply go back to the main screen here and select continue, and it'll reboot your computer. And once it reboots, it won't be in recovery mode anymore and you'll be able to use it. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.